Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, I thought I'd take you along and do some spring cleaning. Yeah, so let's get into it.
Wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna dust everything off the shelves and clean it thoroughly, and also my mirror. I'm using sanitizer, it really cleans well. So yeah.
But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. But I love when we make up like that. But maybe we just love like that.
If you aren't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video.
Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was you, it won't be like that.
This shelf is not giving anymore, so I am gonna cover it up with some contact paper. And yeah, the blue stain you see right there, I wasn't able to clean it and get it off. So these are the new renovated shelves. It turned out so cute.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me if it's you, what you wanna do, make a move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do. Now it's me and
My nightstand always be looking messy, so we're just gonna take everything off and give it a wipe as well.
you and me together, picture perfect. I'll spend all my money all the time because you're worth it. It's just me and you. What you wanna do. Call me mama's boy,
my kitchen. I'm just gonna restock my jars and some spices, and then we'll put it back into their place.
Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Go, baby, at last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So now I'm just gonna show you how I create the gold rim around the containers, and yeah, if anyone wants to know.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me if it's you. What you wanna do? You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you
we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.